Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at the best gas push 21-inch lawnmower you can get your hands on. But here's the twist. It's actually a manual mower that punches way above its weight class. Meet the LawnMaster LMRM1401 push reel lawnmower. Don't let the size fool you. This 14-inch, 5-blade manual mower might just surprise you. At first glance, the bright orange frame and compact build give off an impression of simplicity, but once you take it out for a spin on your lawn, you'll start to appreciate the clever engineering built into this tool. This is where the real mower shines. It comes with 5 hardened steel blades, delivering a scissor-like cutting action that slices through grass cleanly and precisely. This isn't like rotary mowers that tear at the grass. This is a cleaner cut that promotes healthier regrowth. That means less browning, fewer ragged edges, and a better-looking lawn over time. The mower features a 14-inch cutting width, making it ideal for small to medium-sized yards. It's not meant for huge acreage, but if you're working with a front yard, backyard, or garden space, the size feels just right. The cutting height is adjustable. You get 4 positions ranging from 1 inch to 2 inches, which translates to about 26 to 51 millimeters. Adjusting the height is quick and requires no tools. Just a quick switch to your preferred level, and you're good to go. One standout feature is its motorless design. There's no gas, no oil, no cords, and no batteries. That's a major plus for environmentally conscious users or anyone looking to avoid the hassle and expense of fuel and maintenance. It's as quiet as mowing gets, ideal for early mornings, or for neighborhoods with noise restrictions. The 10-inch front wheels give it a surprising amount of mobility. You'll find it easy to maneuver around flower beds, garden ornaments, or small obstacles. There's no collection bag included, and that's something to keep in mind. You'll either want to rake up the clippings afterward or let them serve as natural mulch for your lawn. As for build quality, LawnMaster doesn't skimp on materials. The blades are durable, and the body feels sturdy despite the use of plastic components to keep weight down. The handles are comfortable, though if you're planning extended mowing sessions, you might consider adding some handle grips or gloves for extra comfort. In terms of use cases, this is the perfect mower for anyone with a small yard, eco-minded homeowners, or those looking for a budget-friendly way to keep things trimmed. It's especially great for first-time buyers who want to try out a real mower without a big investment. To sum it all up, the LawnMaster LMRM1401 is a compact, lightweight, and efficient manual reel mower that delivers precise cuts with zero emissions and minimal maintenance. If you're in the market for a simple yet effective lawn care solution, this one deserves a serious look. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more product deep dives, and drop your questions or experiences in the comments below. Until next time, happy mowing!